So hi guys, these are the materials and tools we will be using. The hair colorant we use is black from Bremod and we have 9% oxidant cream. The tools we have are plastic container and hair color brush. So now, we're gonna put the hair colorant from Bremod in the mixing container. And then next, we put the oxidizer to mix it along with the hair colorant. Oxidizer is a cream containing hydrogen peroxide that mixes with hair dye to open the hair cuticle to allow the color pigments to penetrate the hair. Now we'll mix it all. So guys, now before we proceed on coloring my grandma's hair, let's brush her hair first. What I'm holding is the mixture of hair colorant and the oxidizer, so now let's proceed. My model for today's video is my grandma. Now let's proceed on coloring her white hair. So in putting the hair colorant, we need to be careful when putting it on the white hair. Our client's hair has a straight, normal, and medium hair, and her scalp condition is perfectly well and no diseases because she have healthy hair and there was no contraindication seen in her hair. Our goal here is to cover all the white hair with the black hair colorant. So ayan guys, naghahanap na tayo ng mga puting buhok ng lola ko. Ayan guys, target talaga natin yung white hair ng model natin. So let's find some white hair. Sa harap naman natin kulay ng mga puting buhok ng model natin guys. So we have to be careful when putting the hair colorant on the hair to make sure our client is safe and well. Okay, now we're done in coloring my grandma's hair. So now we're gonna wait for 30 to 40 minutes. Nag-patch testing tayo guys sa skin ng lola ko. We waited for 25 minutes and there was no burning sensation or any reaction. I also asked her how does it feel. She said there was no irritation or hapdes sa scalp, so it perfectly suited her skin thanks to Bremod. So we waited for 25 to 30 minutes before we wash her hair. Now we wash the hair and see the results. So now we're gonna use the Cream Silk conditioner. So now after washing the hair, we need to dry her hair, and now let's brush the hair.